Here's a simple and delicious campfire recipe for campfire grilled chicken skewers. This recipe is perfect for outdoor cooking over an open flame. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into 1-inch pieces, 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 bell pepper, cut into chunks, 1 red onion, cut into chunks, wooden skewers, pre-soaked in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent burning. Instructions. Prepare the chicken. In a bowl, combine the olive oil, minced garlic, dried oregano, dried thyme, paprika, salt, and black pepper. Mix well to create a marinade. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, ensuring they are well coated. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. You can do this at home before heading to your campsite or prepare it there. Assemble the skewers. Thread the marinated chicken pieces onto the wooden skewers, alternating with the bell pepper and red onion chunks. This creates colorful and flavorful skewers. Build the campfire. While you're preparing the skewers, build a campfire and let it burn down to create hot coals. You want a good bed of hot coals with minimal open flames. Cook the skewers. Place the skewers directly over the hot coals, ensuring they are evenly spaced and not touching. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side or until the chicken is fully cooked and the vegetables are tender and slightly charred. Use tongs to turn the skewers as needed. Check for doneness. To ensure the chicken is fully cooked, use a meat thermometer. The internal temperature of the chicken should reach 165 degrees, 74 degrees C. Serve. Once the chicken is cooked to perfection and has a nice char, remove the skewers from the campfire. Let them cool for a minute before serving. Enjoy. These campfire grilled chicken skewers are delicious on their own or can be served with your favorite side dishes, like a simple salad or roasted potatoes. Remember to exercise caution while cooking over a campfire, and always have a source of water or a fire extinguisher nearby for safety. Enjoy your outdoor cooking experience.